Tell me. Come on, tell me just how much. How much more? How much more do I have to give? How much more do I have to bleed onto pages and scream into the night before you believe me? Before you see yourself the way I see you? How many poems, how many goddamn songs, how many times do I have to carve my love into the air like it's a prayer, like it's a spell? Like maybe if I say it enough times, you'll finally understand that you're worthy of it. Do you hear me? Do you even... I've split myself open for you. I've poured myself into every line, every note, every touch that lingers just a second too long, hoping you'll feel it. Hoping it'll sink into your bones the way you've taken root in mine. But still you look at me like you don't deserve it. Like you're something I'll wake up from. A dream too good to be true. And it makes me want to scream. Because I know what it's like to sit in the dark with nothing but the sound of your own breaking heart and think, this is it. This is all I'll ever be. But that's a lie. That's the cruelest, most vicious lie our minds tell us when we're drowning. And I need you to hear me now. I need you to understand. You are not beyond saving. You never were. You think you're broken? So am I. You think you're too shattered to be loved? Then let me love your broken pieces. Let me hold them in my hands, press them against my own cracks until we fit together like we were always meant to. You're not some fleeting dream I'll wake up from and forget. You are here. You are real. You're tethered to me in a way I couldn't undo even if I wanted to. And God, I don't want to. Even if I can't have you. Even if I never get to hold you the way I want. Love you the way I ache to. I need you here. Do you understand? I need you here. The world is so much better with you in it. My world is better with you in it. You think you don't matter? That if you slipped away, it wouldn't make a difference? Do you even know what you are? You are a universe. You are the warmth of sunlight that rises and sets. The light that can cut through the darkest hours. The center of everything I can't live without. Losing you. God. Losing you would be like tearing the stars from the sky and pretending the night still makes sense. So don't go. Don't you dare go. I don't care if you think you're broken. I love every jagged edge, every splinter, every soft, hidden thing inside you that you think no one could ever want. I love you as you are, not as you think you should be. And even if I never get to call you mine, even if this love stays trapped in the spaces between words unsaid. I need you to stay. So tell me what I have to do. What more do you need? Because I will do it. I will. Even if it ruins me.